what is the Buddhist perspective on people who kill in war to protect themselves? For example, in the Second World War, people soldiers who were on the front, which is usually as close to the enemy that you can see the white in the eye of the enemy. And there's only one red rule, it is you are killed or the other. So is there a kind of karmic mercy for all those soldiers who had to kill to survive?
You mean, as in, is it still killing or not, or is it still negative or not?
All the wars.
That basically the soldiers who are made to kill, who are forced to kill.
Yeah. If you stand in front of the enemy, you are dead or you are instead.
That the country na the perna sochopa de niba chimbo yere. Then the la Jimson Jamba Zirguna yang sun jikten bagwan de sheni na yang te shatur mambozu yona choko re ta yang chuluk wan de sheni na tene paru da sat samya ga samba te na tene jorwa da na tene tatuk soki wambo te gak jo ji da na te jin da na to da 소심 단 되네 유로아 돈음 타득 단 되네 쇼고 공강조 조스음 유로 타득 세 된자 저 창송의 zon때 강따리앙노 데라 다디 나르만 되네 몽보스 데 쪼쪼 비니바가 나르만도 또 오늘 요게요래 되네 데 두바데 요래 되인데 셔동거 다랑 종이 쳇드 되네 바로 파로라 지 고로아던 건국된다나 시 초래 레다 이나야 다랑 종이체도 파로 셋 동구빙이 봐 요 말했어 그랬더나 내가 장랑 지진이 비까비나야 잠바 보고 졸라 되네 저 라면저가 다 되네 사제 조라 데 조용나 이나야 그런 때라 종규시도 그다 뭔보여래 셋 타치도 셋 동구빙이 봐 만두어서 sa going ibamando so going ibamando sanre then the cantariano tene te nibade choyores ni la sarkada yakko kamberka javna kongo de this guy 지금 차근 차가지고 javna 그지 거 hala 럭 그거만 잡나 거래. 나는 럭게 잡아.
So killing actually is always a very negative act, and whatever the reason for that, it's still negative. And we see that in the world, like from a worldly perspective, then certain type of taking life in some cases is not something illegal. So in wars, etc., then there's allowances that if it is to protect yourself or it is for a different purpose, then it's not something seen as punishable or bad. But from a Buddhist perspective, if you have the motivation to kill, if you then actually do the action of killing, you go about killing, and also the final act, the person actually dies, then that makes a complete sort of cycle of the action or the action of killing. So you can say, there are allowances when you say when it's out of self-defense. Then it's different. But when the motivation is there to kill another, and you actually complete it, then in any case it is a negative act.